Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 14th, and this is my analysis of the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, in the Euro Yen monthly, I still see that we're in an uptrend, as you can see very clearly 1, 2, and 3. We are approaching my target area, which is the 165. I think right around this area, it's going to make a big crescent, probably a wave 4, and then eventually back up for a wave 5 to complete this 1, 2. 3, 4, and 5 pattern. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, until we get a significant break of structure to the downside, I would definitely say that this is still a wave 3. I bet what's going to happen is it's going to make a little 3, 4, 5 shape up near this level. Then it's going to go down, make a big wave 4 correction, and then eventually back up for a wave 5. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, definitely a very strong trend. Looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. I bet it's not over yet. I would expect it to stretch out a little more, probably eventually end up looking something like that for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I bet it'll go down, it'll break structure and start a pretty good size ABC correction, which I believe will be a wave 4. This would be the end of a wave 3, just like what I was showing on the weekly and the monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci extension measuring what I believe to be a wave 1, projected off what I believe to be a wave 2. And I think there's a good chance that this is going to continue up a little more. Now, if it does go down and break structure, that would definitely change my mind. But for now, I am definitely very bullish, and I am definitely still going to continue to look for longs. I will continue to assume that every move to the downside is just a correction to the uptrend, like I have been doing this whole way up. And unless we have a significant break of structure to the downside, I will definitely continue to look for long entries on the sort of time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, just like all these other pullbacks back here, if it does go down, I'm not going to be going short, especially with the trend that we get on the monthly, weekly, and daily time frame. But instead, I will wait for the end of a three-way pullback, A, B, and C, just like this over here, A, B, C, even this right here, A, B, C. And 1, 2, 3. I'm waiting for a 1, 2, 3 pullback. I'm waiting for an impulsive move up, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci retracement of the last wave up. If I see 3 waves down, impulsive up at a fib level, then that is exactly what I'm looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. I will definitely continue to only be a buyer unless we get a very significant break of structure to the downside on like the 4-hour time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.